Hey team, my name's Courtney Black and I'm teaming up with Women's Health to provide you with a 7-day gym workout plan. I've just done it and it's intense. So today we're doing full body and core. It's about 18-20 minutes. You're gonna love it. Taking it in breaks, there's no repeats and every single muscle group is getting hit. Guys, so get your setup ready. You need a bench, you need some dumbbells and you need your weight plate. And of course a mat and yourself. Let's go. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna get warm. So just jog on the spot quickly. Literally just a quick warm up. If you've got any specific injuries that you need to get like warm in different areas, then please do so beforehand, because this is literally just a really quick and brief warm up. So get some shoulder rotations, arm circles even. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then rotate the other way. Good. I always feel like I just want to skip the warm up and get into it, but obviously it's very important. Right, go to a walkout, and then all I want you to do is come up into an up dog, and then push back. And then next time, take your left foot to your left hand. Give me a few little rock forwards here. And then take your left hand up to the sky and just get really into that hip flexor and also opening up your back. Take the elbow down to the floor if you can. If you can't, it's not a problem. And then come back up. And then switch to the other side. Few little rocks forward and then rotate. And then come down. Up again. Nice. And then you're gonna walk it back up to the top. And all I want you to do is give me 3 squats. And on the last one, we're gonna keep our knees open. So 3, 2. On the last one, keep your knees open and kind of just push your elbows against your knees. This is gonna get your nice hip flexors open. And you're gonna feel so much more mobile after doing this. It's one of my favorites. And then we're gonna get straight into it. So, stand up, you need your dumbbells. 45 seconds on each exercise, 15-second rest. There's no repeats, you're not gonna get bored. Once it's done, all right? Why am I out of breath on that little warm up? That's ridiculous. Right, grab your dumbbells. First exercise we're gonna do is a thruster. You're just gonna copy along with me, okay? So I'm gonna do an extra couple of reps and then you're gonna get into it. So I'm not gonna explain them all because by the end of it, you're gonna forget them. So, along with me, dumbbells up on your shoulders. You're gonna engage your core, squat down, and then thrust the dumbbells above your head. Squat down, thrust. You ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Down, up. Breathe out as you come up. Good job. Keep nice and strong through them legs. I wanna see a full squat, okay? Not just a little bend in the legs. And up, push yourself, come on. 25 seconds here, and then you're done. The first couple of exercises always feel a little bit rocky. You're just getting into it, you're getting warm. Let's go. 15 seconds. Good job. 9, 8. It's gonna be intense, this workout, but you got it. Come on, 3, 2, 1, and breathe. Good. 15-second breather. Open your lungs and breathe. So you're gonna get your dumbbells next and we're gonna go down into a deadlift, nice flat back, bent over row, stand, yeah? Simple. We're gonna go in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, nice flat back, row the dumbbells all the way up and then stand. Flat back, row them up and then stand, good. Good job, team. Keep that core nice and engaged. Push your hips back. Imagine someone's pulling you back on a string, okay? Good job. We're here for 20 more seconds. The next one, you're gonna hate me for it, but it's one of my favorite exercises. If you do my live workouts, you will know what it is. It's horrible. I'm just warning you, I don't know why. So, next up is a devil press. It is a killer, but it's amazing, okay? So you're gonna have your 2 dumbbells. You're gonna jump back all the way to the floor. You're gonna come up, nice flat back, and swing them above your head. If you have any injuries, step your feet back. Don't jump them back, okay? We're gonna go in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All the way down to the floor. Press up. Slightly do like a tricep press up at the top, okay? So when you come down here, engage your core, press it up, and then go up. Don't just do it without any movement. Don't do it without any purpose. Up, engage, and swing. Engage your core, come up, swing, good. You're not here for long. 20 seconds to be exact. Good job, team. Down, up, one more, and up. Nice. So, next up, guys, we're gonna go into a single arm exercise, okay? On your shoulder, reverse lunge. As you come up, press. We're gonna do 45 seconds per side, okay? So don't rush it, you got time. Get your breath back. In 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Reverse lunge, press. 1 dumbbell, good job. Now, if you want to make it a little bit harder with me, what you can do, have the other dumbbell, hold it in a bicep curl. As you come up, press. As you come up, so you're keeping the other arm working. Good job. Press. Make sure that bicep is actually engaged though. It's not just there for the sake of it. Good job. 5, 4, 3, 2, and breathe. 15 seconds, and then we'll do the other side. You should be getting a little bit out of breath by now. I definitely am, but what doesn't challenge you doesn't change you. So you gotta do what you gotta do. Hold that dumbbell nice and tight if you can. If not, you're just having the arm out to the side, yeah? So left leg back and press, good. Keep your core nice and tight, okay guys? Keeping your core nice and tight is not sticking your bum out and breathing in, it's engaging. So, ribs in, not flaring. Good job. And press, reverse lunge, and press. Good job, guys. Up, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and breathe, good. You can use your weight plate for the next one, guys. So you're gonna hold it either side. So you're gonna squat down, you're gonna take it around your head, and then you're gonna do the same thing. Switching directions each time, okay? So, grab your weight plate, go as heavy as you can, with good form though, yeah? So, this weight is taking up the whole of me. Squat down, around your head, other way. Squat down. Good job, 45 seconds, all you gotta do. Let's do it. Squat down. I feel like I'm hiding behind the weight plate. Around the head, good. Nice work, team. Now when you're taking it around your head, watch how my hips aren't moving all around, yeah? So you really want to keep them nice and still, and that's how you know you're engaging your core. Good job. 20 seconds. Nice work. Engage, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and breathe, good. A little bit of legs. Oh, I hate these split squats. They are the worst. I'm gonna tell you a little trick. How you get set up for a split squat, feet shoulder width apart. You're gonna sit down, you're gonna extend your leg forward, you're gonna come up, and that gets you in the perfect position, okay? If you're still wonky, then just take one of your shoes off, yeah? You wanna be nice and balanced. Take one of your shoes off, take both of your shoes off. You're not gonna be one shoeless, you're gonna be both shoeless. So sit down, extend one leg, come up, and then that leg goes backwards, okay? And that is the perfect setup. Imagine if it wasn't. My leg wasn't in the right position. Down and drive. Think about being on an escalator, not in a lift. So you're slightly leaning forwards and drive. Forwards, good job. Breathe out at the top. So as you're coming up here, at the bottom, sorry. Good job. Nice. Five, 4, 3, 2, good job. 15-second breather. We're gonna go on the other side. Again, shoulder width apart, sit down, one leg forwards, come up, and we're going. Good job. Spicy. If you like split squats, I'm not too sure what you've been doing. You must be ex-military because they're not fun. They're not enjoyable. Nobody likes them except from you. Good. Next up, team, we're gonna do a little bit of upper body. So grab your dumbbells. We're gonna be in a high plank position. Now we're gonna do Renegade rows. These always test me. How you're gonna be nice and balanced is you're gonna get your feet nice and wide at the back, okay? So we're all gonna do this together. We're gonna be back, feet wide, core engaged, weight of your shoulders over your hands, and then you're gonna row the dumbbells up. Keep your core tight. I feel like so many people are embarrassed to hear their breath. Hearing their breath means you're breathing correctly. You don't wanna hold your breath. You're not gonna be able to perform the exercise correctly. Don't be embarrassed to breathe. Draw it up. Think about drawing the dumbbell up as well to your hip and not to your shoulder, because that is how you're gonna get the nice C shape, which actually targets your back muscles rather than your forearms. 3, 2, and breathe. Woo, nice and simple now. Dropping it down into a plank, okay? If you need to, go on your knees. If you can, everything comes up. You ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. So, knees high. Bum in, shoulder blades back and down, everything is tight. You want to be shaky, yeah? You don't want to be sticking like this, and you don't want your knees to be down, everything tight. Make your bum look like a pancake. Good, 25 seconds. We're staying on the floor for the next one. Keep your core engaged. Nice and tight. 15 seconds, team, you got it. If you need to, drop to your knees. Try keep it up. 10 seconds. Good. Drop down, rolling around on your back. We're gonna do simple chest press sit up. If you've had your boobs done, ladies, then rather than going too wide, bring your elbows in a little bit. It's really gonna protect your boobs and it's just gonna feel so much more comfortable. And if you need to, guys, put your feet under your sofa, okay? Or a bench, whatever you've got. So we're gonna chest press, and then as you come up, you're gonna sit up, okay? Right, now join in. You know what you're doing, no excuses. You've only got to do it once. Good job. Breathe. Up. And drive, good. Next up, super simple, we're just gonna do leg raises, okay? So your hands are gonna be either on the floor or underneath your bum. If you need that little bit of extra support, then please just hook your hands underneath your bum. But if you can, you're gonna go here. I don't wanna see anyone's back arching. So you're gonna come up, and your back is gonna stay pressed into the floor. Whether that means that your legs are coming to here, or all the way down, I don't really care, as long as they are not creating an arch in your back. Everyone's back needs to be nice and flat to the floor. You're only here 45 seconds. This is your ab section. We've only got 2 minutes left, so make it worth it. You're right near the finish line. You're not gonna start jogging when you see the finish line, and you're definitely not gonna stop. You're gonna run right through it, so let's go. Draw that belly button in. Squeeze. Woo. They are spicy. Good, everyone jump up. Now, all we gotta do now is 2 exercises. Okay guys, so now we've got the last 2 minutes work. It's the same exercise, we're just going straight into the other hand. This one can be a little bit tough, but you've all got it, okay? So all we're gonna do is squat, press, we've done them at the beginning. Keep your core tight, because you're now gonna go down to your foot and look at your hand into a windmill. We're gonna do half per side, okay? Grab your dumbbell, let's go. Squat, press, core engaged, hip goes out to the side. Core engaged, hip out to the side. Woo! I love this one. Nice work, team. Squat, press, nice and sharp, good. Nice and sharp. We're here for 20 more seconds. All you gotta do, come on, push through. This side's done. I'm gonna be a bit horrible. I'm taking the break out in between. You're not having it, I'm sorry. You don't need it. We're going straight into the other arm. You ready? Grab the other arm, let's go. Squat, press, look at it. Don't forget, you're always gonna have one side that's a little bit stronger than the other, that's fine. Whew. Press, engage your core. Nice work. 45 seconds, all you gotta do. Let's go. Well done, warriors, let's go, come on. Dig deep. I know it's tough. It's not gonna be easy, is it? If it was easy, every single person would be exercising. But it's not, but it's worth it. 3, 2, 1, smashed it. Whew. Quick little cool down. If you wanna make this workout a little bit harder, you can do that 2 or 3 times, okay? So you can make it into a 30 or 45-minute workout, or you can just keep it like that. If you're a beginner, it's an amazing way to get into fitness. This is also amazing to add post-run. Just an amazing quick 15-minute full body workout. It is tough on its own, but as I said, adding 2 or 3 sets make it even tougher. So let's just come down into a quick little pigeon pose. So you basically want your left knee, foot in front of you, and then you want to rotate your right hip down to the floor. So you don't want that popping open. Really good glute stretch here. We're just gonna quickly run through a few little stretches to hit your whole body because we've just done a full body workout. Obviously, if you are making this workout a bit longer, please don't do your stretches now, do them at the end. You're then gonna come up into a high lunge, and what we're gonna do, you're gonna put that back knee down, and you're gonna keep the front leg here, fingers on the floor, nice little hamstring stretch. Look how my back is flat, it's not slumped over, okay? Keep it nice and flat. Right, let's go into the other leg. Pigeon pose. God, I'm really sweaty. Hope you guys are as well. I always wonder, am I the only sweaty person in the room? Good. Quick little pigeon pose. Come up into your high lunge. Drop that back knee, and then you're gonna come into your hamstring stretch. Good job. Everyone come up. Reach up. Side stretch. Reach up. Other side. Fold over. And you smashed it. Well done, guys. That was really tough.